Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome back at my new series on Kotlin. Myself Dr. Vipin Kumar, and today I'm going to teach you how to install Kotlin on your PC and how Kotlin programming you can do by using what kind of IDE. First of all, you have to download JDK because as we know that Kotlin is based on Java, so this need JDK. In my system, I have already installed JDK 1.8, but I am telling you that just go to Google and type JDK and it will go to the Oracle website. Here you can download Java SE edition, SE4 standard edition. Just you down click on here. So Java 10 has been come here. So you can go and download this particular Java. Click here and here you can download Java 10. I have installed Java 8 on my machine. So if you want to install, this is 64-bit of machine and 390 MB of data is there. So you can download, click here and download. You know because you have worked already also on Java. So I have started downloading this Java, but in my system I'm using 1.8 version. So after 1.8 version or 1.6 you can use Kotlin. So in my machine I have already installed Java. After installation of Java, you can go on your PC, and because of that my machine of 64-bit, so I have the program file and I have installed Java here. This is 1.8 version of Java. Okay, so you can install Java on your machine also. You know how to install Java. Just download your IDE and double click on that IDE. After downloading this IDE JDK, double click on it, next and finish. The best way to install any software in window is just double click on that particular exe, next and finish. You will install. Now after installing a Java and setting a class path, you can check also Java because you know how to make Java. So type here Java. Okay, it will give you the Java and you can see also Java version. Okay, by this way you can check that what kind of Java is installed on your machine. So when you install Java and you have set the path of Java also, then you can go to the JetBrains company, because we know that JetBrains have made this particular language. So we have to download the IDE from JetBrains company. So go there, and from this company, this website of that company JetBrains, you have to click on tool. Okay, and from that tool you can click on IntelliJ IDEA. Because this is commercial software, so we have to download the community edition. It's called free version. So it's come in two type of version, community edition and ultimate. So click on this because it's a 500, more than 500 of MB. I have already downloaded this. So you click on this and you can download. After downloading this, just double click on that and next finish. So when you will download this, it will look like you have an icon like this, and you can double click on this. Starting IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition 2018.1. So this ID will be open, and in this ID we will make a first program. See you in the next video for learning the first program on